Hey everyone, welcome to Next Gen Workflow, your shortcut to smarter work with the latest AI tools and productivity hacks. Let's level up how you work. You need to watch this if you struggle with email overload, because today we're diving into a showdown that could change the way you work forever. Let's talk about email, the universal chore. No matter your job or industry, email is the one task that unites us all. It's the digital equivalent of paperwork. And for many, it's the first thing you see in the morning and the last thing you check before bed. Most of us dread opening our inbox, only to face a flood of messages. The sheer volume can be overwhelming, with unread counts climbing higher every day. Important notes get buried under endless threads, and the pressure to respond quickly never lets up. Crafting replies, sounding professional, and keeping up eats up hours every week. It's not just about answering, it's about finding the right words, the right tone, and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. For many, it means working late or sacrificing breaks just to keep up. Despite all our tech advances, email still feels stuck in the past. The interfaces look the same, the process hasn't changed, and the burden keeps growing. It's as if we're using 21st century devices to do 20th century work. Enter AI. What if a smart assistant could write your emails for you? Imagine a tool that understands your intent, your style, and your needs and takes care of the heavy lifting. Imagine giving a quick instruction and getting a polished draft in seconds. No more staring at a blank screen or second-guessing your words. Just type a few notes and let AI handle the rest. This is no longer science fiction. AI writing tools are here to help. They promise to transform how we communicate, making email faster, smarter, and less stressful. Today we're testing two of the biggest, GrammarlyGO and Flowrite. These platforms are leading the charge, each offering unique features and approaches to email automation. Both promise to save you time and make email less painful. They claim to help you clear your inbox faster, reduce stress, and even improve the quality of your communication. But do they live up to the hype? Can they really deliver on their promises, or are they just another tech trend? We'll compare their features, interfaces, and real-world performance. We'll look at how intuitive they are, how well they integrate with your workflow, and whether they actually make your life easier. We'll see how they handle different tones, pricing, and who they're best for. Whether you need formal business emails or quick, friendly replies, we'll put them to the test. By the end, you'll know which AI email assistant fits your needs. We'll help you decide which tool is worth your time and money. Ready to see if AI can finally fix email? Let's dive in and discover if the future of email is already here. First, GrammarlyGO. Grammarly is famous for grammar checks, but GrammarlyGO adds AI-powered writing. It's built into the Grammarly extension, so users get a seamless upgrade. Click the GrammarlyGO icon, type your prompt, and it drafts your email. The interface is clean and familiar, with AI generation layered on top of classic corrections. Quick actions let you adjust tone or length instantly. It's a general-purpose tool, great for all kinds of writing. Now Flowrite. Flowrite was built specifically for email and messaging. It uses templates for common scenarios, sales, feedback, follow-ups, fill in a few details, and it generates a full email. The interface is all about speed and structure. You pick a template, enter variables, and get a ready-to-send message. Flowrite excels at repetitive tasks with its smart templates. It's focused, fast, and built for high-volume communication. Now, let's put these tools to the test in a real-world scenario, one that every business professional faces at some point: reaching out to a potential client for the very first time. The challenge? Writing a cold outreach email that not only introduces your services, but also grabs attention and opens the door to a conversation. Here's the prompt. Write to Innovate Corp about our video production services with a focus on tech product videos. The goal is to be concise, professional, and persuasive, qualities that can make or break your first impression. Let's start with GrammarlyGO. Simply open Gmail, click the GrammarlyGO icon, and enter your prompt. In just 5 seconds, you'll see a well-structured draft appear. No need to stare at a blank screen or worry about writer's block. The email it generates is clear, polite, and professional. It covers all the essentials, and with just a few minor tweaks, it's ready to send. This is perfect for those who want a quick, reliable starting point. Now let's see how Flowrite handles the same task. Select the sales outreach template, fill in your details, and let Flowrite do the rest. The result? A polished, persuasive email that feels tailored for sales professionals. Flowrite's version stands out with a strong hook, a clear value proposition, and a compelling call to action. It's designed to capture attention and drive responses, making it ideal for sales-driven outreach. Comparing both drafts side by side, it's clear that each tool brings something unique to the table. GrammarlyGO delivers a fast, flexible draft suitable for a wide range of outreach needs. If you need to send a variety of emails quickly or want a general-purpose draft you can easily customize, GrammarlyGO is a fantastic choice. On the other hand, Flowrite's specialized templates make its drafts more targeted and effective for specific scenarios, like sales outreach or follow-ups. For speed and a solid professional draft, GrammarlyGO shines, especially when you're pressed for time or juggling multiple tasks. But if your priority is crafting a sales-specific outreach that's persuasive and tailored, Flowrite's template gives it a clear edge. Both tools are impressive in their own right, and their strengths become obvious when you see the results side by side. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your specific needs, whether you value speed and flexibility or want a more specialized, sales-focused approach to your outreach. Next, let's walk through how to reply to a meeting request efficiently and professionally using the latest AI-powered tools. Imagine this scenario. A colleague reaches out asking if you're available to meet next week to discuss an important project update. You check your calendar and see that Tuesday at 10 a.m. works perfectly. Now you need to confirm your availability and suggest that time in your reply. With GrammarlyGO, the process is simple. Just hit reply, enter a prompt like, "Confirm meeting for Tuesday at 10 a.m." and the AI instantly generates a concise, polite response tailored to your needs. The draft you receive is not only friendly and professional, but also clear and ready to send, saving you time and ensuring your communication is always polished. Now let's look at Flowrite. When you open the meeting request email, Flowrite immediately suggests smart reply options such as suggest a time or confirm availability right below the message. All you have to do is click the suggested option, enter your preferred date and time, and Flowrite generates a well-crafted reply in seconds. No extra typing required. The entire process is lightning fast, just a few clicks and your response is ready to go. This can be a huge advantage when you're managing a busy inbox. GrammarlyGO stands out for its flexibility. You can use any prompt, whether you need to reschedule, add an agenda, or clarify details. It adapts to your unique communication style and needs. Flowrite, on the other hand, is optimized for quick, repetitive replies, perfect for those who handle a high volume of similar requests every day. For simple confirmations, Flowrite's speed is unmatched. It's designed to help you breeze through your inbox without sacrificing professionalism. While GrammarlyGO adapts to any scenario, Flowrite is built for efficiency and excels when you need to send rapid, repetitive responses. Both tools are excellent, but Flowrite is the specialist for rapid-fire replies, making it ideal for those who need to respond to many meeting requests in a short time. If your day involves juggling multiple meetings and constant scheduling, Flowrite can truly be a game-changer, streamlining your workflow and reducing email fatigue. For broader communication tasks, like drafting detailed emails, handling unique requests, or managing complex conversations, GrammarlyGO remains a strong, versatile choice. Ultimately, the difference comes down to your workflow and needs. Whether you value speed or flexibility, both tools can help you respond to meeting requests with confidence and ease. Tone matters. Let's see how each tool adapts. The test. Ask Alex for a Q3 report update in casual, formal, and confident tones. GrammarlyGO nails it. Casual is friendly, formal is structured, confident is assertive. The tone shifts are clear and distinct. Flowrite also offers tone adjustments via a drop-down. Casual and formal are spot on. The confident tone is professional but less distinct from standard. GrammarlyGO stands out for nuanced tone control. Flowrite covers the basics well, but its range is narrower. If you need precise tone shifts, GrammarlyGO is more versatile. For most business needs, both are effective, but for fine-tuning your voice, GrammarlyGO has the edge. Tone flexibility can make all the difference. Let's talk pricing. Both tools use a freemium model. Free tier with limits, paid plans for more. GrammarlyGO is included in Grammarly subscriptions. Free users get about 100 prompts a month. Premium unlocks more, costing $12.30/month. You get the full Grammarly suite, AI, grammar, plagiarism checks. Flowrite's free tier is more limited, just a few emails per month. Paid plans run $10.25/month for unlimited templates and emails. GrammarlyGO is a broad writing assistant. Flowrite is specialized for email. If you already use Grammarly, Go is a great value. Flowrite is cheaper for pure email power users. Your choice all-in-one tool or focused speed machine. Try both before committing. Who should use GrammarlyGO? It's perfect for generalists, students, professionals, writers, anyone who juggles different writing tasks. GrammarlyGO handles emails, reports, blog posts, and more. If you already use Grammarly, upgrading is seamless. It's for those who want flexibility and control, not just automation. You guide the AI, refine drafts, and keep your voice. Choose GrammarlyGO if you want one tool for all your writing needs. It's the all-in-one solution for the modern communicator. Flowrite is for the email power user. Think sales reps, support agents, recruiters, anyone sending dozens of similar emails daily. Its strength is speed and structure, eliminating repetitive typing. If your inbox is a bottleneck, Flowrite is a productivity booster. It's for those who value efficiency and want to automate routine communication. Flowrite integrates directly into your email for instant replies. Choose Flowrite if your job is all about fast, consistent email. It's the specialist for high-volume messaging. After testing both, here's the verdict. GrammarlyGO is the flexible, all-in-one writing assistant, great for varied tasks and tone control. Flowrite is the speed machine, built for high-volume, repetitive emails. There's no universal winner. Pick based on your workflow. If you want versatility, go with GrammarlyGO. If you need to blitz through your inbox, Flowrite is your tool. Try both free tiers to see what fits. Don't get left behind. AI is transforming how we write. Embrace these tools to save time and reduce stress. Whether you choose GrammarlyGO or Flowrite, you'll boost your productivity. Let AI handle your email so you can focus on what matters.